So here now, I don't know if this camera pick him up good, but we out here in the bush again with Bush Monster. My sister's from in the corner, and long time no see. Isaac, you know how long you see he? He was in some of the first vlogs. Well, we still kinda in the first stage. So we out here at this nice camp shed thing surrounded in the bush. We have food, we have gears, we have water in the river. No need for that really. And we ready. We're going in the bush just now. We're going deep in the bush. So the trek start. We're walking to see what we find. Everybody else in the back there looking about to see exactly what are the creatures hiding out and about. Bush monster just find a snake. The usual
Always
snake.
count on them. Could always count on these guys.
That's a good size, a female looking like.
Chill out, chill out.
Look at that. Usual snake. Coffee snake. This has been featured in so much vlogs. Look at that. This has to be one of the most beautiful mushrooms I've ever seen. It's red, like red. Look at how that looking. Awesome looking. And I think it's kind of toxic with all that color. Looks cool. Look at all this web and a puny spider in it. All that massive webs. And this little. Wait, he gone. That was quick. Look, the whole ground littered with water care flowers. These flowers smell so nice. And animals love to eat it. Look at that, water care flowers. We have been walking for 2 hours now and haven't seen anything much. Only like a few spiders. We saw the coffee snake. We just saw some plants and a few critters, arthropods. But no, and the common kind of frogs like congolas and eucheras. We haven't find much yet. Look at this leafless plant. I mean, you can't really make it out here properly on the camera, but it's kind of purple. A stem, and it's just sticking out to the ground. I think in a previous vlog I touched on it before, or yellow one is a purple one. It have no leaf. The majority of the plant is underground. It's a big root structure, and it puts out a stem and a flower, and that's about it. Not all plants have leaves. Just came across this type of vanilla orchid. The same vanilla that is get the vanilla essence from. Yeah. Green in the bush. A juvenile anole. So after 2 hours of finding nothing, 3 coffee snakes. Look at that. 3. Looking like a Medusa here. Found all 3 of them in the same spot. Look at that. 3 coffee snakes. I'm gonna put them back, yes. Ooh. One gone too. One gone too. Where the other one gone? Yeah. One's a coffee snake, yes. We reached the bottom of the trail that we were walking down for a good while on this river. Come across this river, looking for frogs and critters that are resting or coming on the bank. Honestly, I'm getting kind of tired of seeing coffee snakes. Bush monster get this jumping wabi from this puddle. You just snatch it off. Snatch it out the water. So after we got back at camp, we started the fire and bubble up a pot there and cook some nice pilau. After we eat that, belly's full, we went to sleep. We sleep good. And then we wake up the next morning and we had some fun. We just threw some acts, target practice and thing. We relaxed a bit. We went to some pools further up. It was good. This camp wasn't really all that exciting. It was more a relaxing camp for us. We had a good time. So, as you all know, I am the Wildlife Master. Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. And until next time, blessings and bless out.